Hi guys, I was really fascinated with the different colors that the universal indicator showed, so I'm going to do the same experiment but this time adding acid and base dropwise. So I've added distilled water to half my beaker and I'm adding a very small quantity of universal indicator solution. So as you can see, the color of the distilled water has slightly turned to green. Adding just a couple of more drops. Okay, this is a blue-green color of the universal indicator in distilled water. Now we pour in sulfuric acid but drop wise. So on addition of a single drop of sulfuric acid, another drop has been added. You can see the bottom has a red color present in it. So if I shake this beaker, the entire content become red in color. So this is the effect of sulfuric acid on the color of universal indicator. Now adding sodium hydroxide dropwise. So when I add a single drop of sodium hydroxide, you can see that there is a slight purple coloration going around in the beaker. When I add another drop, this is the purple color intensifies. Adding a third drop makes the purple color more visible. A fourth drop, and then stirring the beaker turns the solution blue. Repeating with sulfuric acid, we have a drop of sulfuric acid being added, and we have to observe the color change carefully. So the sulfuric acid has gone to the bottom, so the solution at the bottom has a slight red tinge to it. Added another drop, turned it more red. Adding another drop, turned it even more red. Now let's shake the contents of the flask, of the beaker. The entire solution turns pink again. And now finally one last time with sodium hydroxide, adding a single drop, we can see a shade of purple moving around in the beaker. Adding a second drop, we have more purple color going around in the beaker. Third drop, even more purple color going around, and a fourth drop. Then we shake the contents. So when we shake the contents, the solution turns green. That means the sodium hydroxide has neutralized the sulfuric acid present. So we add a little more drop to turn this basic. So one drop added, we can see the blue color going around. A second drop, and then shaking the contents, and our solution finally turns blue. So this was how universal indicator changes its color at different pH.